Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to turn on your two-factor authentication here. You go click here, you click on manage your accounts, and then you're going to click on security. And also, guys, make sure to turn on your two-step authentication since you can the hackers can easily hack your account if you don't have your two-factor authentication. The reason why is two-factor authentication makes your account so much secure than like using a password. So you click on two-step verification and then you say get started, and then you have to add your password. So I will write it. I'm not gonna click on my show password, so I don't even remember my password. Frick. Okay. And then we go here and then it's gonna ask us for the phone number. If you want to change a country, you can change it from here and then you put your phone number. So let's just make up a number 469. Okay. It has to be 9 digits. And then you click on next and it's gonna ask you a code and then you're gonna put that code and then you're gonna be done. You will be able to not get hacked. So be careful, guys. Make sure to turn on your two-factor authentication. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. Comment below, and other people can help you. Two-factor authentication lets you let's say you want to log into your account, it's gonna like ask for your password, and then after that, there's gonna be a place where it's gonna say the two-factor authentication. So the code will come to your phone. If you put your phone number, it's gonna come to your phone number, and then you have to put that phone number code into that place, and it's gonna let you log in. So this is basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.